Auditing is built on a foundation of trust, accuracy, and professionalism. To ensure that audits are effective and credible, auditors follow key ethical and professional principles. In this lesson, we'll focus on 3 fundamental auditing principles. 1. Integrity, the foundation of ethical auditing. 2. Objectivity, ensuring unbiased and fair assessments. 3. Due professional care, exercising diligence and responsibility. Each of these principles helps auditors conduct reliable, ethical, and high-quality audits that organizations can trust. 1. Integrity, the foundation of ethical auditing. Integrity is the core value of any audit process. It ensures that auditors act with honesty, fairness, and accountability in all their assessments. Key aspects of integrity in auditing: truthfulness and accuracy, reporting findings honestly without exaggeration or misrepresentation. No conflicts of interest, avoiding personal or financial interests that could affect audit outcomes. Confidentiality, protecting sensitive information obtained during audits. Professional conduct, following ethical guidelines set by auditing standards, e.g. ISO 19011, IIA Code of Ethics. 2. Objectivity, ensuring unbiased and fair assessments. Objectivity means that auditors must conduct fair, impartial, and fact-based audits without allowing personal opinions or external pressures to influence their conclusions. Key aspects of objectivity in auditing: independence. Auditors should not have relationships that compromise their neutrality. Evidence-based decision-making, relying on objective data, documents, and observations. No favoritism or prejudice, treating all departments and personnel equally. Consistency, applying the same evaluation criteria in every audit. 3. Due professional care, exercising diligence and responsibility. Due professional care means that auditors must perform their duties with competence, diligence, and a deep understanding of risks and regulations. Key aspects of due professional care: applying knowledge and expertise. Auditors must be trained in audit standards and industry best practices. Thoroughness in evaluations, carefully reviewing all relevant records, processes, and evidence. Attention to risk and materiality, prioritizing high-risk areas that could significantly impact the organization. Following standard auditing practices, adhering to frameworks like ISO 19011, IIA standards, or GAAP. Key takeaways: integrity ensures auditors act with honesty, fairness, and confidentiality. Objectivity ensures audits are conducted without bias or external influence. Due professional care ensures auditors apply knowledge, diligence, and attention to detail. By following these principles, auditors enhance credibility, ensure compliance, and drive continuous improvement in organizations. In the next lesson, we'll explore international auditing standards and best practices to further strengthen audit effectiveness.